song is dedicated for everybody, a 1 in a million you, and a 1 in a million loves for everybody.
Love that played his games on me so long. I started to believe I'd never find anyone. Doubted, tried to convince me to give in. Sitting through the rain has stopped and the skies were blue. And oh, what a revelation to see. Someone was saying I love you to me. A 1 in a million chance.
And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Kimberly Briones.
Life show compassion and said to me, a stroke of love, all to you. A 1 in a
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please approach our father. Once again, we have Christina and of course, Tiffany Joy to talk over. Palakpakan naman natin ang mag-ama. Alam mo, ramdam natin yung sinceridad. Picture taking muna kasama ng daddy ninyo. Ayan, ang kanyang mga Tres Marias na parang isang roses na wala